Oh my God, I had a white dog. Harley. What the? Dude, seriously, man? Harley, come here. Harley, come here. Come here. Come on. You can't go inside. You can't go inside like that. My goodness. Look at this little guy, missed out on all the fun. Harley. Alright guys, so gotta fix a goat pen. This guy must have really been feeling it today, because he was out most of the day and he rammed the heck out of this and just completely broke it. Granted, this thing was, you know, it was on its way out, but he completely destroyed this and completely broke the weld on this one. So I am going to try to fix it real quick. Oh no, look at that. Look what he did to this too. Okay, I can tighten that back up. Okay. Well, let's get it fixed. We are going to try to run 60-13 on this one. It's a shallow penetration rod, and this is some really thin stuff, and that stuff's really made for thin metal. It's 3/32. If this doesn't work, I have some 16th inch rod I might try. I don't know what's gonna happen. I've tried to weld some of this stuff before. Not easy. So I have the welder on the absolute lowest setting it can go. So let's see what we can do. One of the first things I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this piece of 1 5/8", I think it is, pipe to slide in between the two of these. So I'll end up cutting this one here and here, weld that, or I mean slide that in there and weld it up. And then I'm gonna tack weld that on best I can. All right, well, that's best it's gonna get. This stuff is super hard to weld. It's so thin. I mean, that's probably like 24 gauge. I don't really know, 22, 24 gauge maybe. Super hard to weld, regardless of the rod you use. Looks like crap, but you do what you can sometimes. So yeah, until the next one.